This video will comment on the two specimens illustrating peripheral nerve. We call it peripheral nerve because it's part of the peripheral nervous system as composed to the central nervous system, which is composed of the brain and spinal cord. And these are teased nerve fibers. We indicated a couple areas here that are encircled, and I see that we have an HTTP link to this, which I'm going to remove, but I can continue with this and click outside here. I didn't intend to put a link to a website here. So this is a node of Ranvier, and you see it's pinched down here. And if I enlarge it even more, let's say like this, you can see how it is. Now, this is just a rendition of this. This is a whole mount of a teased nerve fiber. One nerve fiber you're looking at, and you're looking at the node of Ranvier here. And this is stained with osmium tetroxide, which stains lipid, and it's actually staining the lipid of the myelin sheath. Okay, so if we reduce this, and we'll look at the other one here. And this one, you can. There is a micron microbar here that we have introduced into the specimen. That is 23 microns, micrometers. That's indicated over in the annotation. And so we estimate the nerve diameter. That is. And this should say nerve fiber, which I'm going to also correct that. Because a nerve is actually a compilation of many, many nerve fibers wrapped with the connective tissue wrappings that you're learning about. So this is a node of Ranvier, and again, if we enlarge this a bit, you can see the pinching in of the. It's actually a pinching in of the myelin sheath with the neurolemma, that is the outside membrane of the Schwann cell, still going across the gap, and then the axis cylinder going right through the center here. So you can't see those in detail, but let's look at the next specimen, which is a histological specimen of a nerve fiber. So we're going to leave this specimen and click on this one, which is a cross-section of several nerve. Actually, this is a whole nerve here. This would be like a named nerve, like the median nerve. And we have, in the annotation, we have highlighted several fascicles within that. Now, when you look at it, see, all these little round structures here are cross-sections of individual nerve fibers. And this wrapping out here would be equivalent to it's the epineurium. And this is stained with a trichrome stain, so the collagen fibers are stained blue, bluish green. Now, if we remove these annotations here by clicking on the little eye up here, which you can do, and we enlarge this slot, you can see you have a line of collagen that's going through here, separating this into two fascicles. So as you reduce this and go back and see this outline here, which I've got and I remove that to allow these to come back, then you can look at the different fascicles, and then the endoneurium is surrounding each individual nerve fiber, and that's the blue connective tissue, collagen rich connective tissue surrounding each. So you have endomysium, you have perimysium, and then I just used the wrong term. You have endoneurium, perineurium, and epineurium, which surrounds the whole nerve. Okay, so use this specimen to get familiar with the different aspects of a cross-section of a nerve fiber stained with trichrome stain.